them.
Here,
What's in them?
I brought the dog bowl for you to put the eggs in. If you find more.
Zachary? Did you hear Mom?
Yeah.
You just...
Oh,
Wow.
Oh.
wow, there's one on the glass.
Whoa! I didn't even see that one.
Come here, bud. You want to put them in this? Wow.
Wow.
I think I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Wow.
Yeah.
How many do you think he left?
Oh, found one.
That's number 7. I wonder if you could answer up so high.
No.
Huh. Wait.
Wow, I didn't see that one.
Now number 8.
Wow.
You find it so good. So how many more?
Well, I bet he probably, the 12 eggs fit in a pack, so I bet there's 12 of them.
Huh.
So that means we have 4 more to go.
Wait.
Wow.
Mom. Look it.
What number is that? Do you
9.
remember? All right.
Only 2 more to go.
Huh.
Maybe we should look on top of his boxes. Maybe there's one on top. Maybe there's one on my swing set.
You think he put it on the roof?
No.
No.
Oh, no.
No?
Let's see if there's any under my swing set. No. Oh! Yeah. That's hard to see.
Yeah.
Because you were running for the other ones.
Because I found a lot. That's number 11.
Hey, I bet, hey,
I see another one on the deck.
I do too.
Oh,
Number 12, you got them.
You want to double check them and count them?
Count 'em?
kill me. Okay.
Put a couple in Mom's hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, that's enough in my hand.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
All right.
Good.
Put them back in the bowl so we don't break them.
Okay.
No, help put them in.
Mommy doesn't have a hand.
Oh. Wow. Black liquids.
More candy?
That's what's inside there. And the Easter Bunny is actually very nice to the kids.
He is very nice to
He
kids.
gives him lots of the candy, and the Reese gives him one movie.
I love you.
Love you